Are you intimidated by artichokes? Well, don't be. This is an easy way to prepare your artichokes. First, you want to wash and rinse them. Then we're going to cut the stem off. And then we're going to pick off about 2 or 3 rows of these outer leaves. Just the ones that are broken or look yucky. They're really tough to eat anyway. And you can just throw those away, throw them to your compost, give them to your chickens, whatever you want to do. Then we're going to cut off the top of the artichoke. The very ends of all these leaves are extremely pokey. Artichokes are in the thistle family, so they have these like pricks at the end of the leaves. And as you can see, I missed a row, so I'm going to grab a pair of scissors and just trim them. Easy peasy. Now flip it back over, cut through the stem and the heart, and then you can stop and just pull it apart and the leaves will come undone. Get a lemon slice, rub it down. This will keep it from oxidizing, or help it from oxidizing. It's still going to a little bit. You can also have a bowl of lemon water handy and just dunk them in. The next part is you want to use a paring knife and cut out all these little fuzzies. You do not want to eat this part. It is not good for you. You can choke on it. It'll get stuck in your throat. So stick your knife in all the way, cut through the bottom, and then pull out all these little purple leaves. They'll be connected to all those little fuzzies, and you just want to throw all that away. Just get rid of it. Sometimes this is easy, sometimes this is hard, but it usually comes out in a couple pieces. I missed a piece, so I'm just going to pull my knife out and get the rest of it. You see how fluffy it is? It's like a dandelion almost. It just goes everywhere. Rub it with some more lemon. Now we're going to put these inside facing down, and I put a little lemon wedge under each one. And I'm going to steam these for 30 to 45 minutes until I can stick a fork in them. Just like that.